I know.
Right, yeah, so you know, pace tables, game's on. Whenever you're ready, really.
Waiting for recon.
2 seconds, guys.
Who's wrecking?
Strap this on.
Joe.
Brendan.
Joe's going up with me, recon. Good luck, Joe.
Me?
You guys will all be going first, us we'll be at the very back.
I'm not going anywhere with that rat on.
Alright, Frenchie. You've had a M4 before.
It's the button on the side!
Let's hope he doesn't need that M4.
Yeah. It's a learning curve.
They managed to do that in 25 minutes-ish.
Even though we were defending the wrong place.
We were defending the wrong place.
It'll take them a lot longer.
Should have done it in 10 minutes.
Should we move out then, boys?
Yeah. Forward advance, that's yours.
I'll just kind of follow along behind
The VIP.
you.
Look at the boys move. I like how Frenchie and Glenn were my bodyguards and you've both nicked off. You useless gets. I'm going to have 2 bodyguards, you might as well go up with the main group. Worst bodyguards I've ever had the unfortunate amount to be attached to.
Yeah, you won't be saying that when you're not shot.
That's true.
Yeah, that makes sense. Use that, yeah.
I like the military lingo.
Bon B.
Do we know where contact's coming from? Excellent. Where's the contact?
S'il vous plaît.
Did he just say I just want some chips and fish?
I thought you said something about factories.
That looks like a big old road of death right there, doesn't it?
I don't like that.
Let's go down it.
Yeah.
Frenchie, you look so camp with your little kick of your leg there.
If he just goes to the Where are we going this way?
Adam's whinging about something.
The beep gives it away.
So is a yellow jacket.
Oh, there is that as well. And my high-pitched voice. Hey! It's Joe.
He's falling on the road.
Yeah. Can you see Frenchie?
Yeah, I can see Frenchie.
Okay.
Do we have one?
Yeah. Frenchie, watch that flank.
I thought it was coming at me there.
What's the sit rep?
Right. Got 3 guys down the bottom there. 3 guys down the bottom, 1 sniper. We've got a lad up on the ridge line at the top here. He's fucking slotting us off every time we go down and use that cover. So get him out, get rid of them. We've got the whole field open, we can go forward.
On this flank?
Yeah.
Do you want to go with
As soon as we get rid of that bastard.
Is Smudge going to come this way? Because you can go with Smudge to back up. If not... Smudge, you're on me. Glenn and Joe's away to hunt rabbits. So you and Frenchie and me. What to sit? Joe's just give with a sit rep.
I got slotted over that way.
Joe seems to think there's one on the far right, flank
There's
as well.
definitely somebody over this way.
We're just going to hold up here for a little bit. Frenchie, have you got eyes on Joe and that?
Thing is though, as soon as we go far right down there, those bastards that are on the left are going to slot us straight away. There's no way you can move around there until we secure that flank.
Just directly left from here.
Already tried that, there's no cover for past those set of trees.
I'm not talking front, I'm literally go left from here. Like that.
You can, that's a boundary back wall.
Yeah, the first barricade, that's
I thought we'd go everywhere.
Yeah, but there's a barrier, you can't go past the barrier.
I thought we'd just go the entire side. I didn't
No.
think the red tape would be any different.
I don't know.
Yeah, but that's the end.
Can I just confirm, is it the entire site or just not past that?
no, the entire side.
Entire site, confirmed, Adam's right.
I'm saying that's the entire side. You can just go
Smudge, you and Bren, under that thing, go and find a route, will you? Send one of yours back to get one. Yeah, that's not going to help.
If you're dead, just respawn at the first set of barriers up the road. You know where to respawn? You know where to go?
found Joe.
It's alright, let them go move forward, they're a scout team. Glenn, possible contacts this side.
Don't lie down.
Respawn just on the first barricade, just up on the another road.
Sniper.
Yeah.
Right. Where's Frenchie gone?
I can hear him. Is that Frenchie?
It's Crawford's massive cam voice. How long do you reckon he'll keep walking?